This tutorial explains how to import zone numbers into the SoftPal system using a CSV file. This tutorial explains how to import zone numbers into the Courier software using a CSV file. Click on Masters to manage master data. Click on Sector to access sector-related configurations. Click on Zone Number to open zone number settings. Click on Import Zone Number to start the import process. Click on Sample CSV to download the template for zone number import. Open the downloaded CSV file and fill in all required columns such as carrier, origin, destination, zone number, and zip ranges. Click the carrier field to begin specifying carrier information. Use the sample Excel file to enter the required zone number mapping details. Enter the following fields correctly. Carrier, enter the carrier name that should be mapped to the zone number. Service, enter the service name to be mapped to the zone number. Origin sector. For outbound shipments, e.g. India to other countries, keep the origin sector the same for all zone numbers. Destination sector, create destination sectors based on how countries are grouped under zone numbers. Example: if Bangladesh and United States belong to the same zone, map both under a single destination sector and assign the same zone number. Do not modify the below columns. Keep them exactly as provided in the sample Excel. Origin zip start. Origin zip end. Destination zip start. Destination zip end. Origin state. Destination state. Choose the file and click Validate CSV to verify the new CSV file's data before importing. Click the Times button to close the validation dialog after confirming the CSV data. Click Import CSV to upload the new validated CSV file into the system. Click the Times button to close the import confirmation dialog and complete the process. We successfully imported zone numbers.